So we've been able to export a whole ton of material from our database into code using the features module and a core set of additional modules that allow us to export things like variables and boxes into features as well. But what about everything else? Sometimes there will be configuration changes that you really would love to package into features, but there's just no way to do it. So right now there's no real ideal way of doing this. We can get bits and pieces of the configuration or of content, but we can't get the whole thing. What we're going to do is explore a tool called Selenium IDE, which will allow us to record macros within our browser. So basically we can fill out a form, record that, and play it back, or more importantly, share it with other people so they can play it back. These macros can be exported as code and added to version control. And while I don't include a state of a component like a features module does, where you can roll back based on particular states in the code, what it does do is set out a set of reliable steps to take in order to modify some configuration or manipulate some content. So the idea here is that without a macro feature like this, what we would need to do is share with somebody else the steps that we took in order to make the configuration change and create a list of those steps in order to do them on our next push to production. By recording the steps, we can share them and we can also play them back pretty rapidly on production so we can reduce the amount of downtime there. So first of all, if you don't have Selenium IDE installed, just go ahead and do a search for Selenium IDE Firefox in Google. You can learn more about it by going to their homepage, or you can go to the download section. And here, under the Selenium IDE section is the download, and you can click this in order to install it in Firefox. Now, because this is outside of Firefox's main channel of plugins, you'll need to allow the plugin to be installed.